Something's been brewing in Brussels, and it's not just my coffee here. Today, the European Commission came out with its Clean Industrial Deal. That's the new EU strategy to boost the competitiveness of our industry. And affordable energy is priority number one. For far too long, we Europeans have been relying on imported fossil fuels, which have been unreliable and expensive. That's a drag on our competitiveness. The Clean Industrial Deal is extremely clear. The response is electrification, based on homegrown energy made here in Europe. And the Clean Industrial Deal does 5 very concrete things in order to accelerate electrification. First, boost supply. Make sure that we accelerate the deployment of renewables by empowering national governments to apply the good EU permitting rules on renewables, on storage, and on grids. Second, enabling industry to procure those renewables directly through power purchase agreements. Here, the European Investment Bank will have a new 500 million pilot project in order to de-risk those power purchase agreements. Third, we need to accelerate the deployment of our electricity grids, and that requires building up our capacity to manufacture grid equipment. Yes, we are making cables and more of them every day, but we also need inverters, we need circuit breakers, we need substations. Here again, the European Investment Bank will have a new grid manufacturing package of 1.5 billion euros to support. Fourth, industry needs OPEX and CAPEX support in order to change their industrial processes and move towards decarbonisation and electrification. The Clean Industrial Deal proposes up to 100 billion euros towards a new bank to support industrial electrification, with a first pilot of 1 billion euros coming already in 2025. And of course, fifth, all of this is easier if we pay the right price for electricity. If we lower taxes on electricity and remove any levies on electricity that are completely unrelated to energy. There's no reason for electricity bills to be paying for maintaining our roads or paying for television programs. So here we go. This is Act 2 of the Green Deal, turning our climate commitments into a growth strategy. We have the technology, we have the know-how. Using the words of Executive Vice President Séjourné, Europe is a player. We are not a playing field. So with the right investment signals, with stable electricity market design rules, the European wind industry is ready to fully play its part in delivering the Clean Industrial Deal.